Hello from beautiful,
Punta Gorda,
sunny Southwest Florida. Today's boat day.
Boat day after camping for a week straight, tent camping. We're here at the dad's and the mom's house.
It's not a bad start to our day today.
Yeah, we're not sure how long we'll be here, but we're taking advantage of this cloudless sky. Not a cloud in the sky. Sun's out. Drinks are being had. We're having fun on the boat.
So
bring it with us.
Come hang out with us, y'all.
Cheers.
Hopefully we're gonna find some dolphins out here in the Charlotte Harbor today.
I think we'll find one in memory of Cody. Cody was our fur baby, and his favorite thing to do was to come on Dad's boat and look for dolphins. So hopefully we'll see one today. I might cry, but I'll be excited for it.
Daisy May, are you having a good day on the boat?
Yes.
Hi, Daisy May.
He loves it.
This is my dad's dog. She loves going out in the pontoon.
We're about to get out in the open water, y'all.
Open water. Oh, look at there's a sailboat out there. Pray for us that we see some dolphins.
Please.
Even though this video will be out long after.
So hopefully the answer is yes. We can still use some good juju, so you can pray for us.
Right now it is 72 and sunny. The high is 78 today. We're getting towards the end of March, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Florida. We are so lucky. Look at these houses. Woo! Punta Gorda was hit by 2 hurricanes this past season. Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton. But my parents' house got pretty lucky. Some others did not. What are you drinking on boat day today,
I actually found this in the magical fridge in Mama and Daddy's garage.
Oh, that's where all the beer goes to die that they don't want. That people bring over to their house.
Who do you bring in to close out the fridge?
Aaron.
This guy. It's actually pretty good. I'm sure it's from Brian.
What is it?
Hi guys, your brother and sister-in-law.
Strawberry lager Avita. That sounds good.
Not too sweet and refreshing on a day like this, which is not even hot. We're in Florida, out of the boat.
It's only 72 right now. It's actually chilly being out here on the water.
Amazing.
But it's gonna warm up.
This is what Florida is like. Primo
We have the canopy.
time to be here. That's why the spring breakers are here. We have spring break friends here. Well, not friends, but family friends, whatever. Cheers.
Cheers. But we have the canopy that can come up and down, so if we want to get some sun, we can take the canopy down if we want the shade. But if we're going to be out here for a few hours, we need the shade.
Yes.
We're just going to get sunburned, but we got suntan lotion on.
We do. We went for
Erin is white, and she turns red.
I tend to burn, peel, and then have a little color. That's how it goes.
We need some color.
You do. We've been like hiding away in the snowy Smoky Mountains.
Right?
For the winter. We're in Florida. It's crazy. We were literally just to kind of see like a week ago.
I think we have spotted some dolphins. You see that splashing out in the distance? They may be misbehaving dolphins.
They're just doing what comes natural.
Yeah, they're doing what you do on the Discovery Channel. Where are they at, Daisy? You find them? You find those dolphins? Here they are, right here. There they are.
Here they come.
There they are. They're right here.
See them, Daisy?
Wow, there's a whole bunch of them.
Oh, so cool.
Yay! Wow, there they are. Wow.
There's like 3 or 4 of them, I think.
I think there's more than that.
I love that she can spot them.
Oh yeah. She hears the blowhole.
She can. Oh wow.
Yeah, Daisy, you see those dolphins, huh?
Yeah, I got it. And I got Sheila's reaction to it.
Oh, wow. Right? They're everywhere. They came to say hello to us. Oh, wow, they're right here, they're right here, they're right here. Hi, dolphins. They're right here. Wow. You see him, Daisy? Yeah.
Daisy. They come like
Yeah, they come so close to the boat. Here they are.
what it's for, right?
Right here. They're right here. Oh, they're all right here. Wow, Daisy, they're right here. Yeah, you see them, huh? You see them. There's so many dolphins here right now. Except for when I film, they go back underwater. There's a whole bunch. There's 3 right there, a few right here. Over there, over there, over there. Wow. Look, they're saying hello to us right now. Oh, wow. That was amazing. Cody definitely came and said hello to us.
He's swimming with those dolphins, for sure.
You see the birdies?
Sailboat.
Oh, there's a sailboat coming right at us.
That's
We're
what
over.
I've never done. I want to experience that.
A sailboat? I feel like it would make me nauseous.
Probably.
Like,
Like the
no.
afternoon, not like the
Just for a couple hours.
yeah.
We're over here by Ponce de Leon Park. Park we often go to watch the sunset. It's a little beachy area here. There's a beautiful pelican here.
You like the
But yeah, we're in Charlotte Harbor. So this water here is like not like the ocean water. It's like salt water mixed with fresh water. Brackish water. It's like Peace River flows into the Charlotte Harbor here. So there's like a little tiny beach, but that's not like a regular beach here in Punta Gorda. I love how Daisy sticks her head through the door. Zach and Cody used to be there standing next to her with their...
We should put a picture of that.
If I could find that picture
I
up.
have it.
You have it?
Yeah.
The 3 of them standing there.
Their heads straight out, so cute.
There's 3 pelicans. Oh, there's 4. There's 4 pelicans sharing 1 pole. They're nice. They must be friends. They must like each other. We're just so blessed with such a gorgeous day today. This is when I like being in Florida.
This is when Florida's primo, baby. Primo.
Yes.
But it's not all that often.
Not all that often. But coming up to a popular fishing spot here. There's a whole bunch of people fishing. Lots of fishies right here in the canal. There's also a boat launch here. A lot of people launch their boats and kayaks right here into the canal. Into the mangroves here. Look at this house. Wow. It's like a freaking planetarium. Looks crazy. We're just enjoying this beautiful day driving through the canals, looking at all the beautiful houses here in Punta Gorda. Somebody is being a beggar. She said, I'll give you a kiss if you give me cheese.
Not really.
Yeah.
You having a good time, Dave? Yeah? It's quite a beautiful day. We couldn't ask for a better day in Florida.
I am loving it, yeah.
And we just used the potty, which is great. We got a pop-up potty here on the boat.
Pop-up potty.
Love that. Oh, Kim's behind the wheel. Everybody pray. Woo! Kim, you're a wonderful captain.
I'm doing my best, baby.
Doing great.
We're still afloat.
We are. We're afloat. We're going straight. Aww. Dad is cuddling with Daisy. She's living her best life. You having the best day? Yeah. She's a happy girl. Look at this pumpkin perch up here. Holy moly. There's like 3 of them just chilling. We're pulling out of the Ponce Beach area. There's still a lot of people out there hanging out. I hope we see some more dolphins on our way out. But this has been such a beautiful day. Oh hi! they're still up there, all 4 of you, right?
here by the Tiki Bar. Really, really cool spot. Ton of Adirondack chairs out there. Really cool bar. Here's a little storm damage here. This used to be a whole dock all the way over to here. And then you can see this boat still here in the water, completely sideways from the hurricane. Wow.
That was Milton. They had it all rebuilt.
So this is from Hurricane Milton.
How fun would it be to take these like tiki boats out?
You're gonna have to stare at them.
Have just the best day. We've never done it, but I would absolutely love to. I think that'd be so fun.
Oh, these fishermen are they're throwing bait. All the birds and the pelicans are eating it.
Egret.
Egrets? They're so pretty. Look at this big one.
That pelican got a mouthful.
We're getting our own show here. Oh, hello, beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at the like feathers. Wow.
That's the Mac Daddy.
What happened? You got wet?
All over my sides and all over my shirt. That was fun.
You needed to cool off a little bit. So the dolphins are feeding right here against this seawall. They push the food up against the wall so they could catch it. Daisy, you see him? Oh wow.
Cheers, everybody. We had a wonderful day on the boat today. We decided to end it here at Peace River Brewing Company. It's one of our favorite places to come when we're visiting the parents.
Yep.
So,
I got a nice little flight of beer, all ciders. They have a whole board up here where you can pick all the different ciders that you want. So we're gonna have a good time and taste some ciders.
cheers! These little baby bears are so cute. Let's choose to try a bunch. I've already tried a bunch today, so I'm sick of trying one.
This is a Black Widow cider from Original Sin. It's like a blackberry cider, really yummy.
I did taste them all.
Yeah, we already did a round of tasting them, and they are all really good ciders. Like this place is a pear cider. We also have a Tennessee Tangerine Cream Ale from Lexington Brewing Company.
This one is so interesting. It's got a creamy taste.
It's a cream ale. Yeah, it tastes like orange and cream. It's kind of like a dessert beer almost.
It's really fun. Cheers, everyone. You could try. They have so many. They have ciders, beers. They also have a food menu with some really delicious, like Asian and fusion.
Yeah, we're getting sushi.
Yeah.
We never eat sushi. This is like the only place I eat sushi from because I like exactly what they put in it.
And it's so good.
Parents are getting pad thai, so we're having a good time here in Punta Gorda. Our sushi has arrived. I got a dangoon roll. It has crab and cream cheese and avocado with some eel sauce on top. Aaron got the same thing, and we're about to dig in. How's your sushi, Aaron?
Do you eat your ginger?
No, I also don't know how to use chopsticks.
I love the ginger. It's so good.
So good, it's fried, it has like a nice crunch on the outside. So delicious.
And just like creamy and
Made a
my
mess.
whole roll in.
He made a mess. It's gonna taste a little soy saucy. Good morning from Punta Gorda. I was sitting outside drinking my coffee. My dad has this Purple Martin mansion, and all the Purple Martins are going crazy. They've had this house here for many years, so every year they know to come back, and they do. And they're beautiful, but they make all sorts of noise. There's like a bunch of rooms in this little hotel that they have. So they make their babies in there.
What an amazing boat day we had. We couldn't have asked for better Florida weather, to be honest with you.
We got very lucky.
Yes, and we had a delicious dinner at Peace River Brewery here in Punta Gorda.
That's the only place I will ever eat sushi from.
Yeah.
They have like exactly what I want. I don't like raw anything, neither one of us do.
Same.
It was delicious.
With the cream cheese and the way they fry it, like I don't know what the magic they do back there. Absolutely delicious, and it's always a fun time to try all the different ciders and ales and beers they have too. But we are headed to the East Coast today, so we're gonna end this video and we'll probably film. I mean, we're gonna be over there for a few days. Probably gonna celebrate my birthday this weekend. Maybe have a beach day. So make sure you hit your subscribe button so you don't miss any of our uploads for our Florida adventures.
Thank y'all for watching.
Yes, we appreciate you. If you are new to our channel, you have not subscribed, do that right now, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.